How to multiply two Numpy arrays element-wise in Python. So suppose we have two arrays, an array A. First we import the Numpy function. Numpy. Now we create an array A with some values 1, 2, 3 and say 4, 5, 6. And we also create an Numpy array B, so a two-dimensional matrix as well, with values say 2, 1, 1 and 2, 1, 1 as well. Okay. So how to multiply these two arrays element-wise? Actually, the answer is very simple. Just use the asterisk operator. So if we multiply these arrays A times B, then we would multiply the first value of the array A in the first row with the first value of the array B in the first row. So 2 times 1 and so on. 2 times 1, 3 times 1, 4 times 2, 5 times 1 and 6 times 1. So if you print this, we should get the element-wise multiplication of those two arrays. That's it. If you like these types of video, please follow my channel by clicking on the banner. And if you want to learn Python on autopilot, then follow my free email Python course and download your free Python cheat sheets. Just click on the link in the description. Thank you very much and see you soon.